In this video, we'll demonstrate how to utilize the Layer Manager in various scenarios. Certain scenarios may arise where the Layer Manager function is utilized to effectively resolve. Consider this wall elevation drawing as an example. When using the Quick Area function to measure the vertical surface of the wall, the generated areas are cut off by the red dimension line instead of being applied to the entire surface. Before using the Quick Area function, let's click on the Hide Selected Entities. Click on Select by Color. Left click on the red dimension line and right click to confirm. The red dimension line were all hidden. Then, we can apply the Quick Area functions to generate area on the wall again. Areas are now generated across the entire surface. There is another scenario where the Layer Manager can be utilized when applying the AutoCount function. Suppose we want to calculate the quantity of round chair in this project. When using the AutoCount functions and selecting the round chair boundary line, we may notice that round chair elements are double counted in the hotel room. This occurs because two drawing entities with the same shape and legend overlap. Therefore, before applying the AutoCount function, we can click on the Hide Selected Entities, click on Free Select, left click to select the drawing entities and right click to confirm. The selected drawing entities are hidden. Afterward, reapplying the AutoCount function to calculate the round chair. This ensures that the chair quantities is accurately calculated without duplication.